In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion cover in Canva. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly, so even if you've never designed anything before, you'll be able to follow along and create a clean, professional looking cover for your Notion workspace. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, you can log in, and if not, you can quickly create a free account. The free version of Canva is more than enough for this tutorial, so you don't need to worry about paying for anything. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the option to create a new design. This is usually labeled as Create a Design and is often found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to open up the design options. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of preset sizes, but for a Notion cover, we want to use a specific custom size so that it fits perfectly. So instead of choosing one of the presets, click on the option that says Custom Size. Here, you'll see fields where you can enter the width and height of your design. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then type in 1500 for the width and 300 for the height. This wide, short rectangle works really well as a Notion cover because it matches the proportions of the header area in most Notion pages. After entering 1500 by 300, click on the button that says Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas with these exact dimensions, and this will be your workspace for designing the cover. Now you can start your design. On the left-hand side, you will see options like templates, elements, text, photos, and more. You can choose a solid color background, a gradient, or even a photo depending on the vibe you want for your Notion page. Try to keep things simple and readable.